The Hasselblad X2D was a camera that grabbed a lot of attention when it first launched. Its stunning design, minimalist user interface, and exceptional image quality made it a dream machine for many photographers. Yet, despite its beauty, it wasn't without flaws. The autofocus lagged behind competitors, and the lack of deeper customization left some photographers frustrated. Hasselblad had marketed it as both a high-end landscape camera and a walk-around street shooter, but in practice, it fell short in handling quick, dynamic situations. Now, Hasselblad has come back with the new X2D2, a camera that looks familiar at first glance but delivers real improvements in ways that make it far more capable and enjoyable to use. The new graphite gray finish immediately stands out. It gives the camera a sophisticated, understated appearance, while the gold shutter button adds a touch of luxury. The grip now features a new texture that feels more tactile and secure in hand, reminiscent of elephant skin, though thankfully synthetic. Beyond these surface updates, the controls have been overhauled to offer greater customization. The front control dial now has a push-in function that can be personalized, while a new quick menu button has been added to the back of the grip. This simple change gives photographers more direct access to essential functions without digging through menus. The biggest operational upgrade is the addition of a 5-axis joystick on the back. It feels firm and precise with satisfying tactile feedback. For anyone who has used professional mirrorless cameras, this instantly feels natural. It allows for quick navigation through menus and easy repositioning of the autofocus point without ever taking your eye off the viewfinder. Previously, photographers had to rely on the touchscreen to move the focus point, which meant looking away from the VF and tapping around on the rear display. The joystick fixes that and transforms how intuitive the camera feels in real-world shooting. The displays have also received attention. The electronic viewfinder is now a 5.76 million old with full P3 color space support, delivering richer color accuracy and smoother tonal gradation. Instead of a physical diopter adjustment, Hasselblad has built this feature into the menu system, ensuring the setting won't be accidentally changed during a shoot. On the back, the 2.36 million touchscreen tilts vertically, ideal for waist-level compositions or shooting over crowds. It doesn't fully articulate to the side, but the movement feels solid and purposeful. Storage remains familiar with a single CF Type B card slot, but the camera continues to include an internal 1TB SSD. This built-in drive provides fast, reliable storage, meaning photographers can shoot comfortably even without an external card. It's a great failsafe for those who forget their cards at home or need overflow space during a long day of shooting. Even the little design details have been refined. The port and card slot doors now use subtle magnetic locks, providing a satisfying click when closed and better resistance against accidental opening. Weather sealing feels improved thanks to tighter gaskets. Battery life has taken a slight hit, dropping from around 420 shots on the previous model to roughly 327, likely due to the more advanced display and processing system. Still, given the performance upgrades, it's a fair trade-off. Just bring an extra battery if you're shooting for long stretches. The camera still uses leaf shutters built into the XCD lenses, allowing flash synchronization at shutter speeds up to 1/4000th of a second. That remains one of the system's greatest strengths. During testing, the camera produced beautifully detailed portraits with balanced fill light from a compact flash setup. The 100-megapixel sensor, paired with the sharp XCD optics, captures breathtaking detail of every texture, color transition, and subtle nuances rendered faithfully. Although the X2D2 uses the same 10MP medium format sensor as before, Hasselblad has refined its performance. The base ISO now drops from 64 to 50, offering a slight boost in dynamic range, about a third of a stop, according to Hasselblad. While that may sound minor, it enhances tonal separation and shadow detail in real-world shots. Combined with the company's legendary color science, the results are exquisite, especially for portrait and landscape photographers who prioritize tonal depth and fidelity. Stabilization is another area that's seen major gains. The X2D already featured in-body image stabilization, but the new system claims up to 10 stops of compensation at the center of the frame and around 8 at the edges. That's an extraordinary claim, and while it may sound overambitious, in practice the new stabilization feels remarkably steady. Even handheld shots at 1/10 of a second retain impressive clarity, something nearly unthinkable for a 100-megapixel sensor. Hasselblad's Focus 2 app integrates with the camera to provide additional data, including GPS information, which helps optimize stabilization performance in subtle ways. One of the original X2D's weakest points was autofocus, and Hasselblad has finally taken real steps to fix that. The new camera incorporates phase detection and LiDAR-assisted focusing for improved speed and reliability. Subject detection modes have been expanded beyond face and eye tracking to include pets and vehicles. Eye detection now works more consistently even when the subject turns slightly away from the camera. It's not lightning fast, but it's far more dependable than before. The system still hunts occasionally, especially in low light or with complex backgrounds, yet overall accuracy is a big step forward. Burst shooting speed has dipped slightly, from 3.3 frames per second to about 3, likely due to the added processing required for subject detection. It's not a camera built for sports or wildlife, but for portraits, travel, and street photography. It performs smoothly. Another notable addition is Hasselblad's new HDR implementation called HNCS or Hasselblad Natural Color Solution High Dynamic Range. This system expands the color gamut to P3 and enhances dynamic range across PEG, HEIF, and RAW formats. HDR JPEGs can now be viewed directly on HDR-compatible devices like iPhones and iPads, showcasing brighter highlights and richer shadow detail straight out of the camera. For photographers who prefer shooting RAW, the HDR benefits are currently accessible through Hasselblad's Focus software, offering up to 4 stops of additional range. However, there are some limitations if HDR shooting isn't available in all modes, such as continuous bursts, bracketing, or full manual exposure with third-party flashes. Still, when used properly, the results can be breathtakingly lifelike, closer to how the human eye perceives light and contrast. All these changes combine to make the X2D2 a much more refined, capable, and enjoyable camera to use. While the original X2D felt like a beautiful but somewhat limited tool best suited for controlled environments, the new version feels genuinely versatile. It's easier to handle, more reliable in autofocus, and offers meaningful quality of life improvements across the board. The new joystick alone transforms how responsive the camera feels. The refreshed body finish adds subtle elegance, while the enhanced stabilization and HDR color engine make images look even more vivid and realistic. Sure, the camera still isn't built for fast-paced sports or wildlife work. Autofocus remains a touch slower than top-tier full-frame systems, and Hasselblad's reliance on its own focus software can be inconvenient for those deeply tied to Adobe or Capture One workflows. But these are small trade-offs when you consider what this camera delivers: stunning image quality, thoughtful ergonomics, and a shooting experience that encourages a slower, more deliberate style of photography. For anyone who admired the X2D but wished it handled more like a modern mirrorless camera, the X2D2 feels like the realization of that promise. It's lighter, smarter, and more enjoyable to shoot with. Whether you're capturing portraits, travel scenes, or everyday life, it delivers the tactile pleasure of using a precision-crafted tool that rewards intentional photography. The X2D2 isn't just a camera, it's Hasselblad finally living up to the potential of its modern medium-format vision.